equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your Surface Pro 8 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, applying gentle pressure to create a small gap between the screen and the body. Using the plastic spudger, carefully insert it into the gap created by the suction cup. Gently slide the spudger around the edges to release the adhesive holding the screen in place. Take your time with this step. Rushing can lead to cracks in the screen. Once the screen is loose, lift it carefully from the device. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. You don't want to damage them. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, locate the battery. It's usually secured with screws. Use your Torx T5 screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them to secure the new battery later. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be mindful of any adhesive that may still be holding it in place. If necessary, use the spudger to help detach it. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. This will help prevent dust and debris from affecting the performance of your device. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press it down gently to ensure it fits snugly. Once it's in place, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your Surface Pro 8 and check if it's charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can assist you with a professional diagnosis without obligation. If everything is working well, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the body of the device and press down firmly to ensure the adhesive sticks. You may need to apply some pressure around the edges to secure it completely. Finally, give your Surface Pro 8 a thorough check to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you're not comfortable with any part of this process, remember, no calls, no travel. We can come to you and handle the repair professionally. This way, you can enjoy your device without the hassle of DIY repairs. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 8. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.